All right, welcome back. It's another Wednesday night meet. We got some pretty interesting cars here today. Let's walk around a little bit and see what's going on. There's Dallas leaving. Quite a few Corvettes today. Got local law enforcement here helping out. Kind of keep the peace, I guess you could say. Cool presence. Hand pop the hood. That's awesome. Showing support.
I just want to have a backup plan.
This is cool.
That's good. I'm glad.
All right.
You got to make it safe for the university.
This is cool.
Want to see the drone?
Let's see it. All right.
So this is a DJI M30T. Has a thermal camera, wide camera, as well as a digital zoom on it. So
That's nice.
for you. So we use this one, our workhorse ones that we use for search and rescue, accident reconstructions, and of course finding bad guys as well.
That'll work. Nice. Nice setup too.
I can try to get you some better lighting.
There we go. Yeah. I'm going to post this on my YouTube channel. So this is pretty cool. You got a lockbox too.
Yep, we try to stuff the car full as much equipment as possible.
I see that. All right. Got a litter and everything else. Collapsible litter, aid bag, everything else splints. And then this is a nice. Well, cool. I'm gonna walk around a little bit.
Yes,
what's
sir.
the difference between this vehicle and say like a standard Tahoe?
Difference, usually before Chevy started changing to just not making police models anymore, they used to soup up the engine a little bit, put extra brakes on it. This one is going to be four-wheel drive, has the option to, and it's just going to be your stock LT model of the Chevy Tahoe now, because for whatever reason, Chevy and Ford and a lot of the companies decided to stop making police-specific models, and now we just buy whatever the stock model is.
That sucks, because I know that the older, like 2014, 2015s, they actually had a police package, which was exhaust, intake, suspension, sway bars, tune, electric fans.
And I guess it's not as profitable now for them to do that specific line.
Yeah.
So we still, some of these on aftermarket parts, they're trying to convert them. Like we use Texas Fleet Outfitters to install our emergency equipment and things like that. So we're working through it.
Yeah, it's nice. And you still use the Panasonic Tough Books for your, everything stayed the same.
If you want to,
this is just like the military ones that we had. Yeah, it's identical. We have, and you're using the FC40s instead of FC55s, which is all touchscreen. Yeah, I'm kind of a Panasonic Tough Book aficionado.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I used to work on them. That's pretty cool. We had those. Fix them, repair them. It's a pretty good setup.
Yes, sir.
Wow, the wraparound display.
Yeah, we were a little bit nervous about that because typically the Tahoes we're getting that were police models, it's just bare bones, right? No fancy seats, no nothing, just a simple screen to play. And then we came to this with the 2025 model, and we're like, oh my goodness.
All touchscreen, I know, right? It's spoiled.
Thankfully, we built that mount to be pretty, like I said, locked in, so that way it doesn't swing and hit that digital screen over there.
Gotcha. It does.
Yeah, I can smell it from here.
It smells pretty good. He put some air freshener in there. All right, I got a little bit of battery left, so I'm gonna swing around here real quick and see what else is here. Should have grabbed an extra battery before I left.
You're not riding the leaky, are you?
No, hell no. No.
You're gonna take it in the back.
Yeah, looks like we got a drone pilot up here today also. That's cool. And look at that, we got a Humvee here. So yeah, a lot of surprises today. We got a Z32 over here, Ultra Celica. Somebody bought an Army Humvee. And here's a really cool car. This is a VR, natural VR4. There was a GTO that was here last week or 2 weeks ago. This was a VR4 with the 5-speed. So I'm hoping to do a video with it, and this gentleman here is going to allow me to do it. But this thing is mostly stock, from what he said. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. SRT. Nice. I'm probably going to pause it here because I need to recharge this battery for a little bit. All right, we're back. So I had to charge the battery real quick. Forgot to bring my extra battery packs with me. So the other 3000 GT SL showed up. And so we got 2 black 3000 GTs. How rare is that? Yeah, there's a Humvee. A lot of nice rides today. You hear that open with cams. Bobby!
What's up, man?
I'm just shooting right now, so
Is that Mustang or is that
that's a Mustang right now.
Yeah.
That's a Mustang. Dude, there's some really nice rides here today. Someone brought the Humvee out here. But look at all these Corvettes lined up.
Shit.
There's two 3000 GTs here. There's an SL and the VR4 over here.
I already saw the Evo.
Yeah, the Evo's pretty sick. I'm trying to see if I can shoot him later. But look at all these Corvettes lined up.
Yeah.
These are nice. And then CSPD decided to show up there. I said, hey, pop your hood. I said, pop your hood, pop your hood.
Oh,
so they
wow.
popped their hood and they're showing off the vehicle now. They're supporting. They're being.
That's wild.
But that's actually cool that they're actually supporting the car community. So Bobby here is the guy who was with us at the Tennessee road trip when we went to the Tennessee Car Museum. He was doing the impersonations when we're out there on the street.
A lot of voices.
Only the
A
best.
lot of people don't like them. Only the best voices. American voices.
But yeah, there we go. Yeah, they did. I was hoping they were going to do red, white, and blue, but they're pretty much got every color in the spectrum here.
Yeah, they really do.
Nice BMWs.
Are those things supercharged or something?
Well, the old ones used to be. Now, he admitted that this is just a basic Tahoe with a brake package. That's all it is. Yeah, brake package on a Tahoe. But the older models actually had supposedly larger radiators, suspension, intake, tune, exhaust, bigger brakes. This is just bigger brakes with a standard Tahoe package. And then they do all the accessories.
Now with the drones, what we can do is we can
But yeah.
have a drone fly a flight pattern, take thousands of photos, and then we plug that into a program called Pix40 that blends all the photos together and creates a 3D model of that crash scene. So it's just like if you ever seen Google Earth, it's just like that. But with that intake, atomic intake,
That's what I thought. A lot of guys would have done direct Fortnite. 800.
All the men are the. It's only the men. They're DC.
Nice,
Cool.
nice. I noticed. JV Customs. All right.
Lights like that on mine.
It's making a comeback. That was so popular back in the 90s. Like literally, this is what I did to my Z back in the 90s. And I just kind of grew out of it. Now it's making a comeback. Everything that was hot in the 80s and 90s is kind of making a comeback. That's pretty cool. Is that yours? Or whose?
No. Yeah, that's fine.
Like even the fact there's louvers on a Charger. I mean, that's kind of cool. They're all making a comeback. Oh, I like the license plate. Daddy's money, but I'm daddy.
Oh, that's funny.
That's cool. Oh man, look at the classic vet here. Oh yeah. Howdy. I'm just shooting a little bit of video before the battery dies out. Man, there are some really nice rides here today.
Oh, Bobby's here.
Yeah, I saw him. There's Bobby. So Bobby's, this is the second time Bobby's been on my channel. He was with us in Tennessee for the Tennessee trip. That's some great footage.
What's up, man? Bobby. Nice to meet you, John.
So I guess I'm gonna kill it here. I'm gonna shoot some more photos here in a second. So all right, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Like and subscribe. I'm out of here.